Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send emails using Bigcommerce stores. Whether it's order notifications, promotional campaigns, or customer follow-ups, email communication helps keep customers informed and engaged. Let's get started. Please note that Bigcommerce automatically sends emails for order confirmation, shipping confirmation, order status updates, and account creation. We can also send emails manually. To set up automatic emails, we go to the settings. Under Domain, we can set up email and DNS records. Here, we can set up auto emails for order confirmations, shipping confirmations, or status updates. We just need to set it up by forwarding or setting up the email or web host once we have a domain. When managing orders, we can also send an email by going to the Products section. By checking the products, we can resend an invoice, and it will automatically be sent to the customer's email by clicking Resend and then clicking OK. A pop-up will show that it was resent to the email. In the Customer section, we can also contact customers because each has a corresponding email. If we want to email them, we just need to double-click their email, and then a pop-up window will appear. We can choose to use Outlook if we have it, or go to Google Chrome and use Gmail, depending on our preference. With the right email settings and strategy in place, we can strengthen customer relationships and drive more sales for our store.